Hi there, Chef Sheila here with another Prevention Unit social distancing event. Today, I will be making a tomato and cucumber salad, which I will be sharing with my colleagues at one of our satellite offices. Hey guys, what's up, guys? So, I brought the salad here for you today to try. Let's eat. So guys, what did you think of the salad?
It was great. Did you know cucumbers are made up of 95% water, which is a very high water content, which keeps us hydrated throughout the day?
Good. Yes, and I also enjoy eating cucumbers because it keeps me full throughout the day because of its nutritional content. And then you know it's also low in calories.
You know what I really like about that salad? The tomatoes. Because it has a very high source of potassium and also it keeps my pressure low.
Good. I'm glad you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you.
Second, after this.